Top 21 cryptos under $1 that will explode in 2025. We're reacting to Altcoin Daily today. Let's get right into the video.
21 crypto coins under $1 that will explode in 2025. Not Solana, that's hundreds of dollars now.
We've
Not
been here
Ethereum,
before.
that's thousands of dollars now. Even XRP is too high. Share this video with one friend who's also interested in crypto.
And before we get into this, I hate to pause it so early. Before we get into this, market cap is more important than price. You should never be looking at price to value an asset. Only market cap, regardless. Let's see what he's talking about.
You don't want to make life-changing money alone. I've been in crypto for years. I've made money. Most people don't know what they're talking about. I do. If you like making money in crypto, subscribe to Altcoin Daily for daily videos just like this. Disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice, just info and opinion. I own many of the altcoins on this list. I'm an early investor in some. Hey, if you want to know what crypto
Cheers. Cheers.
coins I truly believe in that are also under $1 right now, this is it. I think if you get these 21 altcoins on your radar, you will be happy. And if you own any of the coins on today's list, post this video on your social media. Let's get the word out. Coin number one is Kaspa, and this list is in no particular order. Kaspa is built different from the rest of crypto. Scalability.
That's what is a ghost egg. It's like if you almost think about how a spider web works, instead of a traditional linear blockchain, it's more of a spider web, and different blocks and transactions can solve other new transactions and blocks that come onto the network. Pretty cool.
Speed, security, decentralization define this project. This is one of the few proof-of-work coins in the space today, besides Bitcoin and Litecoin. And this is significant because pretty much every coin created today is proof of stake. And yet this coin is so new compared to the proof-of-work coins of the past. The community, the momentum behind this project is noticeable. I think Kaspa is about to surprise a lot of people in this upcoming bull market.
I agree.
If you disagree, tell me why. Number 2 is Aether. If you believe that AI is only going to keep getting bigger, you need to look at projects like this that will power it. Aether is literally powering the future of AI, building decentralized cloud compute infrastructure. This is a powerful GPU compute solution on demand.
Just like a cash.
And this is like the NVIDIA of crypto AI. This is like finding something like Render early. They provide secure, cost-effective access to enterprise-grade GPUs around the world. You're going to hear a lot more about Aether as AI continues to take over. Number 3 is Swissborg's Borg token. Swissborg is an exchange outside the US, and the way that they incorporate their token into all their products is insane. So, like every exchange, Swissborg is doing a big new user push in 2025, and a large percentage of these users and new users will be buying and using the Borg token as they incorporate their token into everything: their launchpad, their DEX aggregator, the exchange itself, staking, weekly burns, which locks tokens out of circulation. So with so much utility, the only variable is how many users will they onboard this bull run. Every exchange is going to be onboarding users. For Swissborg and their users and their token, just look at this chart and see for yourself. The more users, the higher the token is projected to go. So I think Swissborg and their token will blow.
We'd have to dive in deeper to that. I don't know what exactly would make it go higher. You never really explained that, but
this bull
sounds good.
Speaking of Swissborg and their gaming venture arm, my next coin is Xborg. This is a picks and shovels crypto gaming bet. Xborg is a player identity protocol where you get your own online gaming and social data all in one place. They're building digital identity for the 3.3 billion gamers worldwide, revolutionizing data ownership and unlocking personalized and more secure experiences for players. They do have partnerships with top esports teams. They're literally building the picks and shovels here. So with this one, you're not betting on one game. You're betting on the crypto and gaming industry as a whole. And with this project specifically, there are a lot of green flags. Coin number 5 is AI16Z. This is a crypto token that operates within the context of an AI-driven DAO.
They have a freaking anime character as a freaking what?
So it describes itself as the first venture capital firm led by AI agents. It employs AI to make
Okay.
autonomous investment decisions, particularly in the crypto and meme coin space. This is a
Mm.
really interesting and innovative AI crypto
Pass.
project. Number 6, another big
Pass.
AI crypto project that I really like is Humans AI and their heart token. This is AI with a heart.
Yo, and the reason I passed that is because the AI agents space and the AI DAOs and mixing with the meme coins and all that, it's just too hypey for me. Like too hype beasty for me. Like I need to see some actual utility because yes, I could trust an AI to build me a portfolio, a hedge fund to follow, but at the same time, you're better off just listening to people that had multiple cycles. I know AI is going to end up doing a lot of things for us, probably most things for us, but at this point, I feel like it's just another meme. The the AI agents and all that kind of stuff, and especially that they're investing in memes too. Like that's garbage. That's garbage.
Built specifically to meet humans where they're at. This or something like this is the future of AI as it gets more integrated with humans and society. I hate AI projects that totally forget it needs to be intuitive and natural for humans. So, this is an AI crypto project that's doing things a little bit differently, and I think that's going to make a world of difference. Any coin we talk about, you can buy, sell, or trade any of these crypto coins on today's list on Bybit
Oh
Exchange. Make
no,
an account on
no.
always asking me
Fast
to
forward.
share meme coins that I like. So here we go. Coin number 7 is Shiba Inu. This will be Shiba Inu's second bull market. SHIB really shined through last cycle when
You're
meme
not making
coins weren't
crazy
really
games with shit
appreciated.
anymore.
Today, people want meme coins, and you know that meme coins are
It's not
only good in a
happening.
bull market anyways. Well, Shiba Inu is coming back in a big way. They just announced a massive partnership with Chainlink,
That's
and
good.
this is just the tip of the iceberg. I think they have a lot of things cooking for 2025. 2021 was their first big bull run. They're still here, and I suspect they're trying to come back bigger than ever. You know,
Yeah.
everybody knows about Shiba Inu. I think it'll do well. Let's talk about some low cap meme coins that are highly undervalued. Number 8, you know I like Foxy. This is the unofficial meme coin of MetaMask, Consensus, and the Ethereum L2 Linea. This is built to reward the
Unofficial.
community. Just like Brett is the unofficial meme coin representing Base, Foxy represents Ethereum L2 Linea. This meme coin is one of the best community culture coins in the Ethereum ecosystem. Next meme coin is Bells. The
Bruh.
story and narrative of Bells coin is so good. Everybody's heard of the number one meme coin, Dogecoin, but did you know that the founder
Yo, low key, not impressed so far. Not impressed.
of Dogecoin has another secret project that he also created. He created this project before Dogecoin. Dogecoin was actually forked from Bell's Coin code, so Bell's Coin is the Doge daddy of Dogecoin, and that's actually the pet name that Billy M2K, the Dogecoin founder, has given Bells. Doge Daddy. You know that Bells is a channel partner, as we actually did a whole deep dive on this project. You need to watch this video. Seriously, the story and history here is so good. This meme coin truly could be deeply undervalued. Bells, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, these are
Just a
all
meme
kind of
coin.
the big three. People know about Dogecoin and Litecoin. Hardly anybody knows about Bells. They're all merge
You see, the reason why something like Pengu I can get behind is because Pengu has these little penguins in stores. They're apparently they're Club Penguin. If you're as old as I am, I'm 30 years old. Most of us watching it are around my age or older. You remember Club Penguin from back in the day. Um, that would be something cool because there's real world utility. You can go and buy the actual physical penguin. You can play Club Penguin, the game eventually, right? Has like real utility behind the meme coin, and it's a strong meme as well. So it has the whole package, the trifecta going on for it. And the NFTs are set to be probably some of the most expensive this bull cycle around. So it's like all the way around, Pengu makes sense. Like, what the hell is Bell's coin?
mined together. This makes Bells one of the most secure blockchains on Earth. Any exchange that lists Dogecoin and Litecoin can easily turn on support for Bells. A lot of people are suspecting that Binance will eventually list Bell's coin. They support it already by mining it. A lot of big industry players mine Bell's. And like I said, Billy M2K, the founder of Dogecoin, does recognize it, does support it, which is huge. I would highly recommend checking this project out and
It's
watch our
not
full
enough,
video on this so you truly understand. Bell's is on CoinEx Exchange for US users and MEXC and Gate for everybody else. If you want a meme coin that's so new that it hasn't even launched yet, you gotta check out Medusa. This is the meme coin of the Midas ecosystem. It's called Medusa. Medusa is an ancient legend reborn as the proud mascot of Midas. This is the first ever meme coin on Midas. It's
bro.
very new. If you want something very new and early, this is it. Airdrop and token generation event
I would have never watched this video if I knew it was gonna be just meme coins, bro. This is insane, bro. Yo, pick it up, bro. Pick it up.
happening very soon. I'm very
Damn.
excited for this one. Number 11, RSC
Yeah.
Research Coin. If you haven't been able to tell already, I like
My favorite coin this bull run. That doesn't mean it's gonna make me the most money, although I think it will. I love it. Now we're getting into some bangers. Now we're getting into bangers. Been talking about this from a $14 million market cap. July 26, 2024 was the first time I talked about it on YouTube. Tap and subscribe to the channel. Another reason you need to subscribe and you need to follow the Wealth Away link in the description. This is our private community where you get exclusive access into altcoins I don't even talk about on YouTube. Altcoins I talk about before I put them on YouTube. How to find these new undervalued altcoins. So go down below in the description and join the Wealthway Society. You will not be disappointed. I promise you.
like coins that are vastly different, doing things differently from others, tackling new industries, and RSC Coin is doing just that. RSC is accelerating crypto and science. Coinbase founder Brian Armstrong is also a co-founder of RSC. If you think that scientific research and scientific papers should evolve more like open source software, you need to look at this project. Next up is Cardano. Cardano is the ultimate IQ test. You can tell a lot about how financially smart somebody is by how much or how little ADA they actually have in their crypto portfolio. You know, there's so much FUD around this project right now, but guess what? ADA isn't going anywhere. This is one of the most decentralized, built-out projects in crypto. You tell me in the comments right now your ADA price prediction. I guarantee you even the biggest haters know that ADA's not staying under $1 forever. Number 13, Supra. This project is not only the next Solana, it's the
Speaking of Wealth Away, I have tokens in there right now that I posted to the community 2, 3 weeks ago when Super first launched that are in the Super ecosystem. You need to go ahead and join the Wealthway to figure out what those altcoins are. I am not talking about those on YouTube.
next Sui. Solana and Sui are both over $1. Supra is under $1. We actually did an interview with leadership if you want to understand this project better. If you want to learn what makes Supra so special, watch our interview. And by the way, guys, take time to smash the like button, support the channel. Nobody else on Crypto YouTube gives you information like this on a daily basis. Let's help each other win. So you drop a comment and let me know your favorite coin that you want to see on a future list that you want us to cover, and I might just drop a heart on your comment just for you. Number 14, Algorand. This is a quantum computing resistant crypto. Anybody worried about crypto's future with quantum computing?
Not worried a single bit, bro. You have to understand the amount of computing power you need to run these quantum chips, excuse me, in order to take down and figure out a seed phrase or hack into a wallet or dismantle cryptography is insanity. They go by qubits every 1,000 qubit, and they need like something like quadrillions of qubits to solve some of these complex math equations when it comes to cryptography. So it's like it's to me, maybe in 5, 10 years or something, but like I wouldn't be worried about this right now. If this is possible, what he's about to say again, know that everything on the planet is done. I'm talking nuclear reactors, everything. We only need to be worrying about crypto if a quantum chip can solve and get into wallets and everything like that. Like, anyways, I'm yapping. I'm yapping.
Computing needs to check out this coin. The tech here is very good. They've been building for a while. I think Algorand could be as big as Cardano someday. That might be a big statement, so you let me know if you agree, and you let me know if you like algo as well. Number 15, let's go with Coty next. I find hardly anybody knows about Coty, yet they've been building for years. Originally, this project was Cardano connected, now it's an Ethereum layer 2. I think Coty is going to be a lot bigger someday as they're building a fast, private Ethereum experience. Ethereum needs a privacy L2 solution like this, and Coty is it. 16
It's going to
is
go to liquidity
VeChain,
is.
an enterprise-focused blockchain platform. Their focus is sustainable green blockchain solutions. They're trying to make the world a better place in that way. VeChain just had a big patent approval. I know they have big plans coming up. Number 17 is Crow Token. This
These
is the
ones
native
we
token for
know.
exchange, crypto.com. They have a history of doing really well in a bull market, and even more than that, the
That
CEO
is
just
big.
had a private meeting with President Donald Trump. I think the Crow Token is one to watch after this. Number 18 is Paid. Paid is a premier launchpad in the crypto space with its token directly tied to all launchpad activities. I really like this project in a bull market. Number 19, Bico. If you like advanced tech, future forward-thinking tech, you will love Biconomy. They have some of the biggest partners, best tech, and a growing user base. Our number 20 pick is LimeWire. This is where AI, crypto, content
LimeWire.
creation, collaboration, and nostalgia.
Talk about a rebrand. I remember I used to download songs and music off LimeWire in like '05 or something like that. And they disappeared and now they're back. They have a crypto token. Like, that's crazy. Crazy.
All combined together. See, LimeWire back in the day was value extracting to creators. Today, LimeWire is value enhancing for creators. Hey, guys, make sure you subscribe for daily content like this. Crypto is the future, and we keep you in the know on a daily basis. Smash the like
No.
button, subscribe. Our number
Subscribe to Alkin Daily. Subscribe to me. A few more to go. Last one
21
anyway.
pick is Tron. See, Tron in 2025 is a totally different beast from Tron in its early years. Tron is a main player today in the DeFi and stablecoin space. The tokenomics for Tron are way better than what they once were, and the chart looks bullish because of it. Hey, you let me know what crypto coin you
Shout out to Altcoin Daily. Shout out to me. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. And I will see you in the next one.